Are you also not able to bring quality leads for your business even after investing thousands of rupees? I will tell you 3 points about this along with our bonus tips. Number 1, you have poorly targeted your ads campaign. Number 2, messaging is quite ineffective and the ad copy you are using is not clear about what your business does. Number 3, your messaging or ad campaign lacks a clear call to action. You are not guiding people properly on what to do after seeing this ad. Number 4, you need to be patient with any ad campaign, whether it's on the Facebook or Google. You have to work with the patience and give it time to optimize for better performance. And I hope this will help you. And if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask me. Thank you.